Throughout the series, we've had the opportunity to get to know many of the fascinating people behind Miral, delving not only into their passions, but also the values and creativity shaping unforgettable experiences. In this final episode, we sit down with AbdulAziz Al Khoori, Executive Director of Strategy and Transformation at Miral. To get a glimpse of the innovation process behind the brand, we take a look at some of the exciting developments on the horizon and how Miral's values play an important part in their forward-thinking approach. AbdulAziz, it's great to be sat here with you, back at the Miral HQ. Tell me a little bit about what it is that you do.
I'm the Executive Director of Strategy and Transformation. I'm responsible for group strategies, corporate strategies, destination strategies, strategic programs, I would say, as a whole.
You probably have a better view than anybody about what is still to come and the projects that you are busy unpacking with the different teams and the different pilots and prototypes that are happening right here in the Miral HQ. Okay. Give us a sense of how that strategy and that vision is being translated in practice.
Sure. So first of all, the strategy, the current strategy, we have a 22 to 26 strategic plan. It's basically built on three fundamental, what we call the strategic engines. So the first engine is a successful Yas Island destination. So focusing on Yas Island and making it a truly global entertainment destination in the world. Second is to grow destinations beyond Yas. So by getting into Saadiyat Island, the destination management role that we have in Saadiyat, we've basically unlocked that, let's say, second engine. The third is new ventures. So to look at potentially how can we leverage our destination creation capabilities, grow into new sectors, grow basically our value chain, and to tap into other sectors of the leisure, entertainment and tourism industry. This is then supported by what we call the three business pillars. So Miral, in principle, is made up of, the lines of business is made up of three different components. We have a developments business, and then we have an experiences business, and then we have a destination business. So our value chain starts by incubating a new experience, designing it, delivering it, managing it, operating it, and then what we call integrating it into the wider destination.
Now, there's so much creativity here, and we've seen that both in visiting all of the different amazing locations, seeing these experiences in action, but also meeting with different members of the team. Can you give us a sense as to how an incredible experience is born and how you take it all the way through to something that's actually built, that actually exists and is considered truly transformative in what it offers?
Yes. Miral, by DNA, is innovative in many streams. We have an ideation department that is fully dedicated only to conceptualize and design and to come up with an amazing concept. And then the ideation team is going to take that just thought or that idea and to build up the entire conceptualization of that idea and make it a reality. So we have the capabilities to start and stop there, or we could take it to the next level and designing it, detailed, deliver it, construct it, and even further, we either hand it over to them or we even offer them to manage the asset on their behalf and operate it even if needed. So we do have two operating entities. So we have Miral Experiences as an operator of theme parks and attractions, and Yas Asset Management, which manages the other experiences. The staff accommodation, for example, which is also integral, to our offering as a whole.
Indeed, we've heard a lot about some of these elements. In particular, you mentioned the staff accommodation, and we know that you're working very hard on CSR and really investing in that as well. I think it's really inspiring to hear that journey that you work with your partners through, taking that idea all the way through to the end. Tell me about how you see the hospitality, and in particular the MICE component, fitting in with this approach.
You cannot have a destination technically without having hospitality element. MICE plays a vital role as well in destination creation. It's almost $860 billion economy in total, globally, and it's expected to double up almost by 2032 to reach $1.6 trillion. It's a massive market. We see that there's huge potential. So we have people on the ground dedicated within Miral to help companies to set up their MICE events, to take them all the way from, basically from end to end. We offer incredible venues across both destinations, I would say, Yas and Yas Island. Incredible sets of, different sets of hotels as well. So anything from a 3-star to a 4-star to a 5-star, conventional hotels to themed hotels to beach resorts to island resorts to cater for the different needs of the MICE groups.
It's incredible when you think about the rapid growth and development here, especially on Yas Island. There is so much room to grow and to be ambitious. Give me a sense of where you see opportunity on the horizon when we think about markets and also the industries that you could be really attracting to Yas Island and to work with Miral to bring those ideas to life.
There was a big collaboration that happened now between DCT and Miral. So DCT set up an Abu Dhabi convention and exhibition bureau. The whole goal of that bureau was basically to grow business events, within Abu Dhabi. We saw that there's huge synergies, between both teams. So as Miral, we offer the venues, local destination capabilities, to manage and to handle such events, and DCT has the grand vision, for Abu Dhabi, and they've been instrumental in growth. It's a win-win for both organizations. They have always been extremely supportive and collaborative, when it comes to growing the MICE businesses here, and we can see it. We can see it live today, on Yas and on Saadiyat as well.
You mentioned earlier seeing yourselves as a DMMO, Destination Management and Marketing Organization. So I think it really speaks to the fact that you're creating an incredible destination within a destination that has international draw and appeal. But you also manage that, so you create a really well-connected ecosystem of infrastructure. And that's a really amazing opportunity to be able to curate that experience. Tell me a little bit about some of the lesser-known experiences that perhaps not everybody's heard of. Some of those that are maybe your favorites that maybe haven't even seen the light of day just yet.
Yeah. Miral has always been known, or Yas and Saadiyat, have always been known for grand scale or large scale attractions. But I think we tend to forget from time to time that we offer other things. And me personally, in my free time, if anyone likes Japanese cuisine, at Daikin in Yas Bay, so that's one of my favorite hangout places. It's not just the big attractions, but also the small ones that really matter.
It's always great to get a sense of place and those hidden tips and gems from somebody who really knows the destination inside out, like yourself. Now, when we think about the future, we, of course, turn our attention a lot to sustainability. Tell me what sustainability means to Miral, especially when we think about the future vision and how that's incorporated into that.
Sustainability has always been a core component of Miral. The solar parks, that we've built on both rooftops, so on SeaWorld and Warner Brothers theme parks. They generate almost 40% of electricity on both theme parks. We're also working on sustainability strategies for Miral and for Yas Island, and we commit to the UAE's 2050 agenda, and we're working right now on defining the pillars and an action plan to take us there, basically. And we believe that sustainability is it's extremely important for tourism. It's extremely important for destination management and destination creation. Innovative sustainability initiatives, I would say.
I think it's truly fantastic to see that these new venues, these new attractions, have these efforts built into them, and 40% of electricity generation on site is really something that's quite impressive. I particularly love the fact that you're able to also use the destination as a test lab for new technologies and innovation that will help further the global initiative on sustainability. And I think that really shows the role that you can play both in setting a vision, but also in that DMMO role of bringing everything together.
Yes.
Well, AbdulAziz, it's been fantastic speaking with you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule. We're looking forward to seeing how these experiences develop in the future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
As our journey discovering the myriad of incredible experiences here on Yas Island draws to a close, it's clear to see how instrumental people are here at Miral, and how the company's vision and values all come together to create a seamlessly connected destination experience. Throughout this series, we've had the privilege of meeting with so many incredibly talented people in such a unique array of venues and attractions. Reflecting on the unique insights and perspectives that have been shared, it's clear to see that Miral's one-stop shop approach to supporting partners in bringing events to the region is matched with a truly visionary approach, where literally any idea can become a reality. I've been impressed to see this firsthand and to see the ambition, sense of alignment and creativity between every single experience here on Yas Island, but also to see for myself how the approach fostered by Miral has been instrumental in shaping Abu Dhabi's recognition as a leading hub for both business and leisure.